The Spigen rugged armor case offers a compelling middle ground between basic protection and true ruggedness for your Pixel 10 device. Despite its name, this isn't the most protective case on the market, but it delivers solid value for those seeking above-average protection without the bulk. What sets the rugged armor apart is its fully TPU construction, making it incredibly flexible and easy to install or remove. The case feels comfortable in hand with a slightly textured back and side grips, though I found the finish somewhat slippery compared to more traditional rubberized cases. The matte finish is a winner, though, effectively resisting fingerprints and smudges throughout daily use. The design strikes a nice balance with thicker corner bumpers than standard Spigen cases and their signature air cushion technology for corner impact protection. Raised lips around the screen and camera provide essential scratch protection, while the minimal aesthetic features just a hint of carbon fiber detailing at the bottom. However, the case does have some limitations. The button covers, while easy to locate, aren't fully enclosed, leaving gaps that could allow dust infiltration. There's also only one color option, black, which may disappoint those wanting more variety. For protection, the rugged armor sits comfortably between basic cases and true rugged options, like OtterBox Defender cases. It won't survive extreme abuse, but for everyday drops and bumps, it's more than adequate. At less than half the price of most rugged cases, it's an excellent value proposition for users who appreciate the rugged aesthetic but prefer a slimmer profile. If maximum protection isn't your priority, the rugged armor delivers solid performance at an unbeatable price point.